Hello children, I welcome you all again to this video session. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.3. Here we discuss about the proportion. Let us get into the session. Look at this exercise 3.3. First question, fill in the boxes. 3:5 as box is to 20. How will you read that? 3:5 as box is to 20. Listen. 3:5 as box is to 20. Here product of extremes in proportion, product of extremes equal to product of means. Write down that product of extremes equal to product of means. Here 3 into 20 equal to 5 into that box. We want to find out this one. So 3 into 20. Here 5 is in multiplication. Bring this side means it becomes division. Equal to box. Cancel this one. 4. 3 4s are 12. So box value is 12. So answer is 12. Next sum. Box is to 24 as 3:18. Same procedure. Product of means equal to product of extremes equal to product of means. So box into 8. Box into 8 equal to 24 into 3. Now box equal to 24 into 3. Here 8 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So cancel it 3 times. So we get 3 3s are 9. Here 9. Second answer is 9. Third. Listen, 5 is to box as 10 is to 8. First take this 2. 5 is to box as 10 is to 8. Multiply 5 into 8 equal to 10 into that box. So 5 into 8. Here 10 is in 5 into 8 how much? 40 equal to, here 10 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division that box. So 4 times box equal to 4. So what is the value? That is 4. Now take 5 is to 4 as 15 is to that box. 5 is to 4 as 15 is to box. Now product of extremes equal to product of mean. 5 into box equal to 4 into 15. Box equal to 4 into 15. Here bring this side 5 means it becomes division 3. So the value is 4 3s are 12. Here 12 will come. And then last one. Take this first, this 2. Listen. 12 is to box equal to 8 is to 16. Here 12, 16. So box into 8 equal to 12 into 16. So box equal to 12 into 16 divided by 8. Cancel means we get 24. So that is 24. Next one. Now take this 2 ratios 12 is to 24 equal to box is to 4. 12 into 4 equal to 24 into box. 12 into 4 divided by 24 equal to box. So cancel this, means 12 tables 2 times 2 12s are 24. Again 2 cancel, here 2. So what is the value here? 2. So that is the answer. Second question, say true or false. First one, 7% is to 49 persons as 11 kilogram is to 88 kilogram. Listen, 7 is to 49 as 11 is to 88. Check whether is it true or false. Listen, product of extremes equal to product of means. 7 into 88 equal to 49 into 11. 7 into 88 means we get 616 equal to 49 into 11. 7 into 88 means 616. 49 into 11, 935. So 539. That is not equal. So that is false. Next one, 10 books is to 15. 10 books is to 15 as 3 books is to 15. As means proportion is to 15. Now multiply this and this. That is product of extremes equal to product of means. 10 into 15 equal to 15 into 3. That is 150. Here 45. That is not equal. So here false. Next, if the weight of 40 books is 8 kilogram, 40 books weight equal to 8 kilogram means weight of 15 books is 3 kilogram. Listen, 40 books equal to 8 kilogram. 8 kilogram means 8000 grams. So one book equal to 8000 divided by 40. 2 times, so 200 grams. Now 15 books weight. 15 books means 15 into 200. That is 15 twos are 30. Put 2 zeros. 3000 grams. That is 3 kilogram. Here they also given that 3 kilogram. So that is true statement. Next, a car travels 90 kilometers in 3 hours with constant speed. It will travel 140 kilometer in 5 hours at the same speed. Listen, 90 kilometers in 3 hours, 90 kilometers. So 1 hour equal to 90 divided by 3, that is 3 and 9 cancelled, 30 kilometers in 1 hour. 5 hours, in 5 hours how many kilometer? In 1 hour 30 kilometer. 5 hours means 30 into 5, that is 150 kilometer. But they given 140 kilometers only. So that is false. Third question, fill in the blanks. First one, if the cost of 3 pence is rupees 18, then the cost of 5 pence is dash. We want to find out the 1 pence rate. Listen, 3 pence equal to 18 rupees. So 1 pen equal to 18 divided by 3. 3 is in multiplication. So 3 bring this side means division. So 18 divided by 3, that is 6 rupees. 1 pen equal to 6 rupees. Cost of 5 pence. So 5 pence equal to 5 into 6, that is 30 rupees. What is answer? 30. Next one. If Karkurali earns 1800 in 15 days. In 15 days, she earns 1800. She earns rupees 3000. Means in how many days? That is the question. What is the earning per day? That is 1 day equal to 1800. Here 15 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So cancel this. 115 is 15. Here also 1 time. Balance 3. It becomes 30. That is 2 times. Put this 0. So 120 rupees in 1 day. She earns number of days into 120 equal to 3000. So number of days equal to 3000. Here 120 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. Cancel this one. 2 12s are 24. Balance 6. It becomes 60. That is 5 12s are 60. So 25 days. So the answer is 25 days. Next one. Fourth, find whether 12, 24, 18, 36 in that order can be expressed as two ratios that are in proportion. First expression proportion, that is 12 is to 24 as 18 is to 36. Check whether they are in proportion or not. That is the question. What is the rules? That is product of extremes equal to product of means. These are in equal means, that is in proportion. So listen, that is product of extremes. Here product of means. Product of extremes is 12 into 36 equal to 24 into 18. So multiply that. 36 into 12. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Again 1 times. So 36, that is 2. 13 carry over 1, that is 4. 432. And here 24 into 18. 4 8s are 32. 2 8s are 16 plus 3 19. 24 1s are 24. So 2 3 4. So 432 equal to 432. Answer yes. They are in proportion. Fifth question. Write the mean and extremes terms in the following ratios and check whether they are in proportion. First subdivision, 78 liters is to 130 liters and 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. Listen, first write in mean and extreme terms. That means in proportion 78 is to 130 as 12 bottles is to 20. Check whether they are in proportion. What are the rules? That is product of extremes equal to product of means. Here product of extremes means 78 into 20 and here 130 into 12 is the product of means. So 78 into 20 equal to 130 into 12. Multiply that. 78 into 20. 2 8s are 16. 7 2s are 14. Plus 1 15. Put the 0 means we get 1560 here. Now 130 into 12. 0. 2 3s are 6. 1 2 is 2. 130 equal to 130, that is 651. 1560. So both are same. Answer yes, they are in proportion. Next one, 400 gram is to 50 grams and 25 rupees is to 625 rupees. Write in proportion means 400 is to 50 as 25 is to 625. So product of extremes equal to product of means. Here 400 into 625 and 50 into 25. Listen, 400 into 625 equal to 50 into 25. 625 into 400. Listen, 4 5s are 20. Carry over 2. 2 8s are 2 4s are 8 plus 2 10. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. Put the 2 zeros means we get 2,50,000. 25 5s are 125. Put 1 0 means 1,250 only here. So that is not equal. So answer no. They are not in proportion. That is the answer. Sixth one. The America's famous Golden Gate Bridge is 6,480 feet long with 756 feet tall towers. A model of this bridge exhibited in a fair is 60 feet long with 7 feet tall towers. Is the model in proportion to the original bridge? Listen, first ratio of original bridge. equal to 6480 feet is to 756. Ratio of model bridge equal to 60:7. Is the model in proportion to the original bridge? So model to the original bridge means model is 60:7 as original bridge, that is 6480:756. We want to check whether it is in proportion or not. So what's the rules? Product of means in equal to product of extremes equal to product of means. So product of extremes equal to product of means. Here product of extremes means 60 into 756 equal to 7 into 6480. Multiply these two numbers. 756 into 60. 6 6 are 36. Carry over 3. 5 6 are 30. Plus 3 33. Again 3 is carry over. And 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. Put the 0 means we get 45,360. 45,360 here, and multiply this one means 6,480 into 7. 0. 7 8s are 56. 4 7s are 28 plus 5 33. 6 7s are 42 plus 3 45. Here also 45,360. So both are same. Answer yes. The model in proportion to the original bridge. That is the answer. 7th question. If a person reads 20 pages of a book in 2 hours, how many pages will he read in 8 hours at the same speed? Listen. This question solved by unitary method. That means we want to find out how many pages in 1 hour he can read. That is the listen. Number of page he can read in 2 hours. Number of pages he can read in 2 hours, that is 20 pages. So in 1 hour how many pages? Number of page in 1 hour, that is equal to 20. Here 2 is in multiplication, bring this side means division. So 20 divided by 2, that is 10 pages. In 1 hour he can read 10 pages means now in 8 hours number of pages read in 8 hours means 10 into 8, that is equal to 80 pages. That is the answer. Next one. 8th question. Cholan walks 6 kilometers in 1 hour at constant speed. Find the distance covered by him in 20 minutes at the same speed. So, distance covered in 1 hour equal to 6 kilometer. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We know that very well. So, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Listen. That means distance covered in 60 minutes equal to 6000 meter. Distance covered in 1 minute equal to 6000 divided by 60. So, 100 meter. 100 meters distance covered in 1 minute means, what's the question? Find the distance covered by him in 20 minutes. Therefore, distance covered by him in 20 minutes equal to 100 into 20, that is 2000 meters. 2000 meters means 2 kilometer. So, that is the answer. 9th question. The number of correct answers given by Karmukilan and Kavita in a quiz competition are in the ratio 10:11. If they had scored a total of 84 points in the competition, then how many points did Kavita get? Listen. First, they given the ratio of the Karmukilan Karmukilans and Kavita's answers equal to 10:11. Therefore, total number of answers is how much? Karmukilan 10 and Kavita 11. So, totally 21 answers. Total scores they given. Total scores equal to 84 points. Now, what they ask? How many points did Kavita get? So, Kavita's scores we want to find out. Number of answers in Kavita's is 11. Out of 21 answers into points 84. So, cancel that. 21 1 is 21. 21 4s are 84. Multiply the remaining numbers. 11 into 4, that is 44 points. Therefore, Kavita get 44 points in the quiz competition. That is the answer. 10th sum. Carmagan made 54 runs in 9 overs and Asif made 77 runs in 11 overs. Whose runs rate is better? So first one, run rate of Carmagan. Number of runs in 9 overs equal to 54. So number of runs in 1 over equal to 54 divided by 9. Cancel the numbers. 9 1 is 9, 6 9s are 54. So 6 runs in 1 overs. Now run rate of Asif. Number of runs in 11 overs equal to 77 runs. So number of runs in 1 over equal to 77 divided by 11. 11 1 is 11, 11 7s are 77. So 7 runs. Listen here. Carmagan 1 over equal to 6 runs. So run rate of Asif means 1 over equal to 7 runs. So which runs rate is better? That is Asif run rate is better. So that is the answer. 11th question. You purchase 6 apples for rupees 90 and your friend purchase 5 apples for 70 rupees. Whose purchase is better? Listen here. First, my purchase. Cost of 6 apples equal to rupees 90 in my purchase. So cost of 1 apple equal to 90 divided by 6. Cancel this. 1 6 is 6. Here 1 6 is 6. Balance 3. It becomes 30. So 5 6 are 30. So 15 rupees. 15 rupees per 1 apple in my purchase. My friend's purchase. Cost of 5 apples equal to rupees 70. So cost of 1 apple equal to 70 divided by 5. Cancel this. 1 5 is 5. Here also 1 5 is 5. Balance 2. It becomes 20. That is 4 times. So rupees 14. So cost of one apple in my purchase is rupees 15. Cost of one apple in my friend's purchase is rupees 14. So which one is better here? My friend's purchase is better. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.3 is over. I'll see again in next exercise. Thank you.